Mm-hmm. Very good. Yeah. You could in the garage.
So this is where I'm gonna keep all my tools when I travel, just so they're in easy reach.
That's pretty cool for organization or something.
Think we can keep our tools here?
No.
So I can get them easily if I need them. Okay, I guess that works.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, that's
yeah.
cool.
Okay, let's go screw it in.
Wait up, it's not filming.
It's fine, just maybe the anchor.
No battery.
Maybe. Okay, there's room here, and there's room here.
So as you can see, we've already started to move in our things into the truck camper. We did almost all of the kitchen stuff actually a couple days ago. These are the little spice racks that I bought off of Amazon. They actually save up a lot of space, so we're slowly moving in. So we still need to move in all of our clothes. Everything fit in here, so we didn't really have to downsize our pantry at all. I can't believe we're already at this stage. It's been such a long time coming, and we're finally here. Today, we are actually putting the truck camper onto the truck, and it's gonna stay on there until we leave. This is it. It's going on the truck today, so that's super exciting. I reupholstered that little stool with the same fabric, so wherever we need it, we can use. And then the bathroom, scrubbed everything. Took me a whole day to really get everything nice and squeaky clean. Look how clean the shower came out and the sink. Everything looks great.
What's up?
Hey, what are we doing today?
Just put the camper on.
We're putting the camper on?
Yeah, I think so. We'll try. We'll try. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit worried about the jacks because this camper is from 1997, I think, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So the jacks are old, so some of them are not as strong as they used to be. So hopefully this thing doesn't flip over and fall down. But
So that's what we're doing right now, is putting the truck camper on the truck.
platform to raise the camper up, because I think the older trucks had the bed sidewalls were shorter, so I wanted to lift it up. So I just put this bed rug on the bottom, made this frame. It's about like 4 inches high, and then we'll put another bed rug on top. 4 or 5 hours or no?
Yeah, it took a long time.
Our truck is just high off the ground, and we made the platform still. And our jacks are weak because they're old, so we had to restack the blocks a lot of times until we got the height that we finally got on.
The truck camper is on the truck.
We have no choice now but to go travel.
Yep.
No going back anymore.
Yeah. We bought these bed slats at IKEA. We're gonna try them out and see if they help with the condensation issue that people say you have under a mattress. Because when you're in a small space and you breathe, there's a lot of condensation buildup. Some people say they actually have mold underneath their mattress. This looks like it kind of raises it up a little bit. Hopefully it'll help with that issue. We'll try it out and see. Pretty much have everything in the camper already. We're trying to turn on the AC unit. It just makes a huge banging noise. So Nick went up there, took off the lid, and he found some clay beehives. So they're like hard beehives. He's gonna take a vacuum up there, vacuum everything out, and see if that stops the noise. But we turned it on and it was blowing cold air, so it works. It's just really loud.
I think some kind of, is that beehive or something? It's like really hard.
There's something rattling in there.
Yeah, but
You can see, what are those? Ew.
but I thought at first that something was loose, so I climbed up there. The fan seemed to be shaking around, so I tried tying the bolts, but they're supposed to go like that. And then on one side I noticed on the propeller there, like a couple of these small ones, so I ripped them off. It got a little bit better, but then I climbed up there to vacuum everything out, and this was on like the other side where you can't really see it.
Oh.
So like it was hard to get out, but I got out. So I think it should be good because this is like, I feel it's like
actual.
it's like a rock.
Oh my gosh.
And there were a couple of these, so that's why the fan was like twisting the wrong way because of the weight.
Oh, wow.
That's why it's like vibrating. They're all dead. Is that like bee cocoons? Well, yeah, it's like a rock.
I don't know what that is. I don't know, maybe somebody knows what those are and they can comment. Just stop that giant knocking noise. Okay, the AC should work, yeah?
I think so.
Awesome. We're still putting away stuff into the truck camper. This is the sunset. Have to take a minute and enjoy that.